copied mine.
नहीं कसम से लो.
No, you have to show it together. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Harshita and these are my siblings, and today since it's Rakhi, we're going to do a Rakhi special video. He's my younger brother Nishit and she's my elder sister Sejal.
Hi.
So today's video is about who knows me better, which sibling knows me better. She claims to be the one who knows me better, but let's see. So without further ado, let's get to it. So let's start with the first question. What is my favorite ice cream flavor? There are two. If you write 2, you get 2 points. If you write 1, then you just get 1 point. Show together because then Nishit will cheat. He's a
Three.
cheater.
2, 1.
Belgian chocolate, mint chocolate chip,
Same.
mint chocolate. So it's not Belgian chocolate but chocolate per se, but both of them are correct. So 2 points each.
We just have good taste.
So second question. Which parent do I think is stricter?
This is so easy.
Mama. Mom. Yes, they're correct. So the third question. What date and time was I born on?
Time.
So you can have 4-hour ka gap, like 4-hour ka frames if you don't know the exact time. But if you get the...
know your exact
Yeah,
time?
I do know my exact time. But if you know the exact time, you get 1 brownie point. So let's see. So it can be like 12 p.m. to 8 a.m. and blah blah blah. Okay. Start. 7th August, 11:15 p.m. 6 p.m. No, he's closer.
Nice.
What
She
time
was
were you
in the
born?
evening.
It's 4:15 p.m.
Oh, you
She
were
did
born
not
in the
know.
evening.
So he's closer, so he'll get 2 points. So
Why
it's
will he get 2 points? I should be
No.
glad. He was what?
I'm closer.
he's closer. So,
So I also have a 6 hour within a 6 hour.
no, I said 4-hour time frame.
Harshita continue.
The fourth question. On which date did I make TYC live? You can have a 5-day time gap if you don't know the exact date. But if you know the exact date, then you get a brownie point.
Sejal.
Start. 17th July.
Same.
No, guys, it was 10th July. Both
we
of
are
them
very
got it wrong.
close.
No, I told a 5-day time period.
I should.
No, 17th July.
Actually,
Not,
we were
can't.
planning a gift on 17th only.
Yeah.
No,
It's 10th July, guys.
But it's okay, fine. Why we won't.
So none of them get
I
a
think
point.
you copied mine.
नहीं कसम से लो.
So the fifth question. Did I ever get in serious trouble in school? If yes, then what? You can just write the reason, the main reason. Share?
3,
Done.
2, 1.
Yes, maths exam. Yes, anger issues. No, it was him.
Nah.
He's correct.
What
So
happened?
my best friend and I were caught cheating in class 10th final exams, and because of that, we got a lot of
school that time.
yeah. But still, I was in school. You should have known because there were a lot of issues that happened after
What
that.
happened after
My nomination and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Kashi and I, yeah.
Yeah, I
So
forgot.
there were a lot of issues that happened because we were caught cheating. So yeah, so he's correct. And yeah, okay. So the sixth question: what all sports did I play while growing up? Like proper sports, like not volleyball, karate, and all. Just like the ones I did in school, but proper sports and competitions that I went. There are 4. I hope you will not see it. Done. Skating, basketball, athletics, TT. No, you have to show it together.
I was right.
Athletics, table tennis, basketball, long jump, long
So athletics is what?
relay running. What is the difference between athletics and relay and running?
I don't know. That's not right. No, this is
He
fun.
won. She gets 3 because she got 3 correct.
No,
It's
but-
athletics, basketball, TT, and skating. I was
But
good at all of
skating,
them.
Harshita, you never did skating.
I
in
did.
class
I went
4.
for states and all.
But only till class 4. That's
So
it.
what?
That's
I
all.
said my
Okay.
school life.
Arey, let's
But
move.
that
Clearly, my younger brother knows me much better, and she's just a fake. So he got them all correct. Yeah.
What?
तुम लोग आंसर देख
Yeah, he's cheating
Yeah,
again.
कसम से.
He just told me, can't you see the answer on the
नहीं,
laptop?
हम बोला don't look
I
at the
told
laptop.
you.
Okay, so the 7th question. What's the one present that I will always be happy to receive? What is it? Clothes.
Clothes.
Yeah, both of them are correct. So 8th question. What is the course that I'm currently doing? I want the proper course name. Not just like law or legal studies. BBLLB. Yes, both of them got it correct. Okay, so the 9th question. What is my favorite date in the year?
Can we give 2 answers?
No.
एक तो उसका birthday.
You can't discuss.
Favorite date.
If you tell her the answer, then you
Let's do
don't know.
30 seconds. He can't take so much time.
Hmm.
We'll give 2 answers.
No, you have to give one.
Please, Harshita. It's very hard to say.
Birthday.
Hmm.
2nd October.
No, it's my birthday.
But I wrote 7th August.
She said.
Both of them got it correct.
Birthday is pretty
Yeah, yeah.
basic, I thought.
No, but that's my favorite date
Harshita
in the
is-
year. So the 10th question. What did I want to do when I was growing up?
Signal 30 seconds. 10, 5, 3, 2, 1.
1 second. Let me write.
Pilot.
Professional runner.
Yeah, I wanted to do something in sports. I wanted to be a
Yeah.
basketball
तुमको
player
pilot
or
भी
a
तो बनना
athletic.
था।
That was PS1 or PS2.
As
No,
a
but
kid.
she always wanted to do something in
Yeah,
sports.
I always wanted
And
to do
then she
something
was
in
very
sports.
inclined towards athletics.
Yeah. She got it correct.
He was cheating and he couldn't cheat anymore since the answers went down. No, he's been cheating as usual.
Okay, so the 11th question. When did I hit 10K on my Instagram for my TYC? Trace your case.
Okay, I've given. I can't give a date. Jan.
What is it? What is it?
Give Sejal points, I don't know.
It's April.
I don't know.
How is it Jan? It's April, 8th April.
Okay.
So I told them 10 months, so both of them got it wrong. And he's so very clever.
Harshita,
He's
you
like,
said
give
it.
Sejal points.
Because-
None of them got a
But
point.
Harshita, 1 second, we had a discussion.
No, I
3
said
days back.
10th month. 10 months.
You said 8 months. I
Oh,
remember.
Sejal, let it go.
I
Okay, so the 12th question. What is my favorite TV show? If you guess this wrong, then you guys don't know me at all.
Suits!
अरे हम सूट्स लिख रहा था.
Okay, both of them got it correct. Okay, so the last
You
question.
became a lawyer because of suits, right?
Yeah. Partly, not the whole thing, but
क्या
yeah.
लगता है टीवी शो देख के इतना इंटरेस्ट हो जाएगी.
Okay, so the last question. How much did I score in my class 12 boards?
शो ऑफ कर रही है.
Exactly बोलना होगा. This तो देखो Nishit will remember.
It's not my problem.
एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट्स भी.
नहीं, whatever you remember
I
closest.
think a competition है.
3.
94. 95. It's exactly 95.
Really?
So he got it.
Dude, I did literally.
I think it was 95.
हम इसको कंफ्यूज किया. We have to add points and all also. Round figure.
But Harshita, look, I literally had like that.
No,
Yeah?
he got it correct. It's the exact thing what he said.
So obviously he was just no. Let's
So-
add more questions.
So those were the questions, and Nishit clearly won. He clearly knows me
How?
much better.
Check.
She think there's a competition, but like he clearly won, so he's
So what
the
is he
better one.
getting?
So
What do I get?
I gave him the Rakhi gift already, so don't even demand
For
anything.
this?
For this, no. It's just that you love me more. It proves that you love me more.
Oh.
So
That's so
so Nishit won, and these are the final points. So Nishit is the winner.
If I become the winner, this is just.
So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
I
Let
did
me
enjoy.
let me know if you guys want a part 2. She'll clearly come forward with so many more preparations so that she does not lose. And that's
I don't
about
have to prepare.
and that's about it for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And
Mine too.